mga kananay! Welcome sa aking YouTube channel. For today's video ay ipapasilip ko sa inyo ang lugar kung saan po kami nag-celebrate ng aming 4th wedding anniversary. Tara, samahan niyo po ako sa Your Brother's House Tribal Village here at Pawa, Legazpi City. For me, Your Brother's House Tribal Village is one of the best destinations na puntahan po because the environment is very relaxing and very stress-free. So, ayan nga. Marami po kayong mapagpipilian ng mga rooms here at Your Brother's Tribal Village. Now, I would like to show you this modern cabana bungalow where we checked in. Hello, Akil.
There's that light.
Look at that light. Where? Oh. Hello, Daddy.
Take a chop, Gabby.
Are you happy? Okay, let's close the door. Oh, it's too dark here. So, ayan, medyo makalat na pala. So, anyway, this is how modern cabana bungalow looks like kapag yung mga nasa loob ng room. So, this is the windows. Ayan po. And this is the comfort room. So, merong sariling towels, 2 towels, and it's very clean. Yan. Okay. Aesthetic ang design. Interior design. You will love staying here. So, ayan nga po. So, since the weather is not good during that day, medyo maulan, hindi po kami basta-bastang makalabas. But we will try our best na makapag-roam around sa area. Yeah. So, this is Daddy and Ikil enjoying the sight here near the fish pond. So, si Ikil enjoy siya watching the fish. Okay. Doon sa fish pond. Okay, antok na ang aking kasama. Pagod sa biyahe. Now, anyway, sa mga nagtatanong, ilan yung rate ng Cabana Bungalow, modern Cabana Bungalow. So, that is 2,500. But, parang meron kami binayarang VAT wherein umabot ng 3,000 pesos yung aming binayaran. Okay. So, makikita nyo naman, worth it naman actually yung bayad. So, by the way, this is the swimming pool. Isa rin siya sa hindi namin na sulit pala. Kasi nga masyadong malamig, mahangin sa labas ng mga time na yan. So, hindi rin kami makapaligo doon sa swimming pool. Especially ang aming Ikil. So, nilalamig siya. So, ayan. More of, na lang kami. Panunood ng mga views. And isa pa, hindi rin lumabas si Mount Mayon. So, sa mga nakikita natin sa post about ng Your Brother's House Tribal Village, makikita mo yung view ng Mount Mayon. But during this time, itong pumunta kami dito, wala siya kasi nga po masama yung panahon. So, as you can see in the video, masyado po talagang mahangin. So, thankfully na lang talaga na tumigil yung ulan. So, we are able na makalabas ng room. Yan, para at least makakuha kami ng mga photos and videos ng lugar. So, that's it. Look at that. So, very relaxing po ang lugar. Especially if you want to escape from a very stress environment. So, pwedeng-pwede kayong pumunta dito sa Your Brother's House Tribal Village. And by the way, yung swimming pool na yon ay naiiba yung kulay niya at night. Yes. So, let's go doon sa area na to. Ayan nga po, so pupunta tayo doon sa area, yung mga nakikita niyong mga triangle hut there. Okay, so yun po ang area kung saan yung ganap ng bonfire. So anyway, dahil nga masama yung panahon, ng mga time na yan, ay hindi naman namin, walang ganap ng pa-bonfire. So in-enjoy na lang namin yung staycation namin dito sa lugar. Okay, welcome to your tribe house. Ayan. This area naman po ay ang kanilang restaurant here. So, ayan po. So, very affordable din lang naman yung mga foods nila. And then, ito po yung mga triangle hut dito sa Your Brother's Village Tribal House. Yan. So, madami pong menu kayong pipilian dito. So, actually, this is already, na-vlog na to ni Miss Mariel Padilla. Wow. Okay. So, we really enjoy staying here. At dahil nga maulan, so more of mga pictures na lang while staying inside the room yung nakuha namin. So, hindi rin kami nakalabas ng gabi kasi nga medyo maulan. So, ayan. So, we really enjoy our stay doon sa lugar and masasabi kong worth it din naman yung staycation namin for a while sa Your Brother's House Tribal Village. That's all. Thank you for watching. So, this is their Facebook page for inquiries. Bye!